tabs on a sales order within Business Central break down data on the sales order into a format where you can easily find information that is crucial to creating successful transactions. In general, these should be your most common items from the customer's name, the dates, references, and anything in particular to categorization, the relationship to an opportunity. The salesperson code, etc. Once you get through general, sales lines actually isn't really a tab, it's a subform, it's a subpage called sales lines. We'll cover this later. Invoice details. This really talks about the currency. It gives you the capacity to turn around and understand the cash flow, so payment terms. It's the posting groups and anything to do with the payment services. When we look at shipping and billing, this is where we're addressing the order of shipping to. So this is quite critical. Where it's shipping to and also where it's shipping from, which warehouse. One thing that this does give us is the ability to do bill to, which is bill to another customer, commonly referred to as parent-child relationship. So here, this order now has been updated that although the order is underneath Additum, the bill to will go to Trade Research. Further down here, we've got the shipping method. So the shipping agent is quite important. We'll use Australia Post and what the service it's using for Australia Post. So these trace all the way through to any shipping extension that you may use. Many extensions, for example, Shopify would use the package tracking number. Once it's filled in and the document is posted, that passes back through to the shopping cart. Here you can see some tabs that are injected from external extensions. We can see the tab to do with foreign trade, again not common. And then the last one is quite important, and that's called prepayment. And here we've got the ability to turn around and set a prepayment percentage. We can compress. We've got the prepayment terms code, which is due up front or 30 days. The due date based on the terms code, the discount date, and if there's a payment discount. These are the tabs that break up your sales order.